Hey everyone, MrTass, MrTass 3D Print Shop, coming at you with another item for my international travels that's coming up. So I will be cruising in these travels, and on cruising, I'd like to have my phone near the bed versus the outlets are always off on the desk or somewhere far away. And it's always good to have an extension cord also for hotels, different things that way. So I was looking for an option that was compact. I can take it with me, but it's still very versatile and has a lot of ports. So I'm hoping this will be it. This is the Anker 20-watt USB-C power strip. This is the 10-foot version. And I have a second power strip from Amazon that I'm going to review that's a 5-foot version. Because my goal is I'm going to run this one the long way, and then to get to the other side of whatever bed or something that way, I've got the 5-foot with its own ports. So let's get into this. Let's see what we've got here. So the Anker 20-watt, 10-foot extension cord, good for dorms. Again, I'm going to use it with an international plug, which you've seen in an earlier video for, potentially, and this adapter. But it has 3 AC outlets, has 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, all on this little cube, and hopefully a nice, easy way to travel with. 7-point safety system, can do up to 20 watts on total charging. So I think it'll be good. It'll get the job done. Should go nice in my backpack. 20-watt max on the USB-C, 12 watts on the USB-As, or if you're doing 2-port, 15-watt shared or 15-watt max shared across the doll. So you can see it's nice. I'm hoping this fits the bill. So that's what's going on Amazon. You can see an affiliate link on the bottom. Also make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Mostly I do VR stuff, but I also do random reviews and things that interest me and that I might find helpful to others. So looking at it, in the box, you get a nice, pretty long box. I mean, you can see it's good forearm length of a box here. Anker Series 3. Anker makes a lot of nice products. I've been very happy with them for a lot of different items, from power, battery packs, chargers. So in the box, that's what we get. Now that is a bit bigger than I expected it to be based on the picture, so this is why it's nice to open something on video. Inside just has that. That's all for the box. Anker 321 power strip. Tells you the different outputs and plugs. Oh, a little sticky. So this must be if you wanted to permanently install it on a desk or something that way so it sits. So that plug, or this cube, certainly bigger than I expected it to be. But considering if I wanted 3 outlets and USBs, sometimes you have something that extends out a good ways. I'm okay with a nice solid plug. Keeps it compact. And then you can see here, 10 foot of cable. Some disclaimers. Comes with its own Velcro to contain the cord. And that cord goes on and on for 10 feet. But it has the flat base here, so when you plug it into a wall, it can be behind a desk easier. And then that's what you get. So you've got 1 AC, 2 AC, 3 AC, and then you've got the 3 USBs on the top with the USB-C and 2 normal USBs. And that's all there is to it. I plug it in, plug into my devices to charge, and I'm good to go. So hopefully this helps give you a size and scale for what this is. As I said, a little bigger than I expected, but not bad. And it will certainly fit in my backpack for travel, and give me a lot of versatility and options for plugs and charging. Till the next video, and you can check it out. Catch you later. Bye.